Hey Budget Savages, we're here with another video. Today we're doing peanut butter from scratch. So this is a very simple recipe. However, this may not be the most cost effective, but it is more healthy. So this is one of those ones where you may want to do it if you just have peanuts laying around, maybe not, but I thought I'd do it because the ingredients are so minimal. It just makes more sense because I know exactly what's going in my body and my children's body. So we're doing peanut butter today. So I got my peanuts from Winco bulk bin. I paid $2.18 for per pound. I got a little over a pound. The recipe is 2 cups of roasted peanuts. I got unsalted. And then it is, if you want to sweeten it, you can put a tablespoon of syrup, agave. You can do brown sugar, you can do sugar, you can do honey. We're gonna use, what are we using? Maple syrup, or we're using honey?
I wanna do honey sugar.
We're doing honey today. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna put your peanuts on a pan and you wanna roast them. The reason for roasting the peanuts is because it brings out the natural oils and it helps to get a smoother consistency. So we've already done that just to save on time.
And,
oh, it's knocked her lips off her face. Okay, so I already roasted my peanuts. I'm doing a, okay, and
we did it before because we made a peanut sandwich and it got all over my April the other day.
Her peanut sandwich got all over her April. That's great. We got our peanuts here. I'm doing a smaller batch because this is actually the first time I'm doing this, but it looks so easy. I wanted to try it myself. We got our new situation here. Our food processor, the newest gadget in our kitchen. And so we're going to start. I'm just gonna dump my peanuts off into the processor. You can also do it in a blender, just so you know, in case you don't have a processor. You don't necessarily need one. I've seen many people do it in a blender, which is fine. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess and I just cleaned everything up. All right, so we're dumping off all this. And again, the reason for putting it in the oven prior to putting it in your blender or processor is because it loosens up the oils in the peanuts. All right, so I'm closing my processor down.
And then you think it's gonna work, but it probably won't.
And I'm having a hard time putting this on.
Yeah, I know. I'm talking about that part.
Yeah, I just put it on and it was fine.
You gotta press it down like boom.
One moment.
I do it in.
So we're back. I don't know what was going on. I'm gonna put it this way. It's just back. And I'm just gonna go through the process. It shouldn't take more than like 5 minutes to do this. Boom. So I'm gonna have my daughter go ahead and start the process. And so you can see it. Hopefully it's not too loud. All right, go ahead and push. Let's do it on high.
Wait, guys. Let them see me.
Okay.
This is my first day pushing a blender. Which one?
High.
High.
Yep. Go. Wanted to show you the stages, okay? So that's what, maybe 30 seconds in, and we almost got dust. So it's doing its thing. So that's 30 seconds worth of chop time. Oh my goodness. We got it. Okay, there we go. Put this back on. There we go. Okay, hi. Come on.
Hi.
Okay, here's the next stage. You see now it's starting to clump up.
Yeah,
you can see that.
And it gets a little mushy and squishy. So we would have to put it in the oven to make it melt.
So we're gonna put that back on. We're almost there. Pan that back over. Oh.
We just need a second.
Okay. Okay guys, look what stage we're at there. It's coming along nicely. So this is the part where I'm just gonna go ahead.
I'm trying to put it somewhere.
No. Just right there. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and add the salt and add my sweetener. So as far as salt, I'll do fine salt. I'm gonna put very little salt because we really don't need that. I don't even think I need a. Okay, it's pouring out from the other end. You want 1/4 of a teaspoon, barely.
Can I
Like,
do it?
and I'm gonna have her dump it in there. Go ahead and dump. Now, if you find that,
And 3, 2, 1. Dump it!
okay,
Now we gotta mix it up a little and then turn it back off.
if you find that for some reason it's not smoothing out, I think that's how you say it, for you, you can add a little oil. I would start with 1/4 of a teaspoon of oil of your choosing. And you know what? I'm just gonna squeeze what I think we're gonna use. That should be good. Okay, so that is that.
So
Is there
now
any-
it's half empty.
okay, is there anything
You
else?
know what we're...
Hey, is there anything else you want to add in here? Is there anything else you want to add?
Yeah,
What?
I'd like to add some sugar.
Okay. What about some cinnamon? Or you just want to leave it like this and let's taste it? Let's leave it like this and let's taste it.
No, actually, I'll just do it.
I think we got it, guys.
Okay,
Let's
so
check
no
it.
peanut butter. Next up, after the peanut butter one is done, we would have to do some jelly.
Let's see. I'm just want to sample it to
Can I
see if we
taste
want to
it?
add anything to it.
Wait, can I taste it and
Hold
see?
on. Maybe some more
Okay.
sweetener. I'm not
3,
sure.
2, 1. Let me try to taste
Okay,
it
put it on your finger.
to see if it tastes good.
Try it. What are you missing?
Some sugar.
Let me try it.
Some sugar.
Yeah, I kind of like how it tastes. But we want to do some brown sugar?
I like it. Yeah.
Okay.
I need some white sugar, I think.
Well, let's do brown sugar. Let's do brown sugar. I would rather just add honey, but we're going to add this for her.
But yeah, it's a brown sugar.
No, we don't have to taste brown sugar because we know it tastes like brown sugar.
You're right.
Okay, this should do it. I'm going to incorporate that and we will let you see where we are at that. Okay, so I'm going to give you a closer look. I'm going to scoop this. Hold on.
Alright.
You see that? The texture?
Yeah, it looks
There.
so yummy.
It looks so good.
It looks like chocolate vanilla ice cream. It's like vanilla ice cream.
Okay, so she's
3,
going to...
2, 1. You want to taste it too?
No, you go ahead and taste
Here
it.
we go. I think this will do.
Okay, let's pan up. So,
Mm.
it's actually really tasty. So this is not necessarily an inflation buster. It depends on what brand of peanut butter you get. If there's certain brands that you get the a more expensive brands of peanut butter, then yes, this would definitely kill the cost on that in particular. However, You know exactly what's going in your body. You don't have anything you can't pronounce in your peanut butter. And I think it's a fun little activity for you to do with your kids. I would definitely try it out and see how you like it. If you choose not to roast the peanuts, I don't know how it's going to come out. However, if you do so, please let me know what happened. Let me know if it was harder to blend, or if it took longer, if you had to add oils in order for it to kind of smooth itself out. I would like to know. But that's it. It was, what, 3 ingredients? You got your sweetener, you got your salt, and you got your peanuts. And well, we added an extra sweetener, so that's 4 ingredients for us. But the 3 ingredients is fine. If you don't like sweeteners at all, don't add the sweetener. It's just as simple as that. And then to make things a lot easier, it really didn't take that long. It was less than 10 minutes to do it. The longest portion of this whole situation was roasting the peanuts. I put it on 350 in the oven for 10 minutes. And I would keep an eye on that just in case your oven runs a little hotter than some, or maybe not as hot as some. Just keep your eye on it. When you like the color, remove it from there and put it right in your processor or your blender. And until then, budget savages.
And I'll give this an 11 out of 100.
Okay, you heard her. You heard her. I actually like it, so I think I'm going to continue doing mine this way. Ooh, one thing. As far as storage, it lasts up to 2 weeks in your pantry, cabinet, whatever. If you put it in the refrigerator, it lasts up to 2 months. So of course you put it in, it's going to harden it. You take it out, you remove what you're going to use, you let it sit, you let it thaw and soften up, and you spread it, or you can heat it slightly in the microwave and do the same thing. All right, that's all we had for today.
And I'll give it, and the slightliest of this beautiful thing that we made as peanut, we should give it half 10 out of 1,000.
Okay, but until then, audit your kitchen, save your coins, and stay savage.
Bye.